Hey, Eric Hatch with Century 21. If you're looking for one of those beautiful newer homes that are heart of Auburn, which is literally right there is Auburn Elementary School, look no further, guys, because you're going to really enjoy this one. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2,900 square feet, clean, ready, moved in. One owner here in Auburn in this beautiful cul-de-sac, which you can see only has just a few houses in there with a nice street for kids riding bikes, park right across the street. It's wonderful. So if you're interested in seeing this one, reach out to me. I'm happy to show it to you.